Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be doing the look that I'm wearing right now. It's like a cherry blossom look. It's actually inspired by a look that I saw on Instagram by Ainsley. It's this look right here. As you can see, she did cherry blossom, but she did like a whole like blue lid. But I really love how hers came out, so I wanted to recreate it in my own way. So please go check her out. I'll make sure to leave her info down below. Don't forget to like this video if you do, and without any further ado, let's get on into the video. I already did one eye off camera and also my brows, so I'm gonna just start on with the other eye, but I'll list all the products I use down below. So to prime my eye, I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Porcelain and the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. So now I'm gonna use the Morphe James Charles palette, and I'm gonna take the e.l.f. 205 brush and the shade Boutique. Okay, now using the Morphe M433 brush, I'm going to use this shade right here called Mary. Okay, now using the Real Techniques Beige shadow brush, I'm just going to be taking this light pink shade right here called Pinkity Drinkity. Okay, now I'm going to use the e.l.f. small angled brush and this dark brown right here called Benny. Now with this dark brown shade, all I'm doing is outlining where I'm going to cut my crease, but also to darken up the first shade I put down. Now with the e.l.f. 205 brush with no additional product, I'm going to just blend out the brown shade I just put down. Okay, now using a cotton round and some of this Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water, I'm just going to clean up the lid a little bit before I cut the crease. Okay, now to cut my crease, I'm going to use that same LA Girl Pro Conceal in Porcelain and my Sonia Kashuk No. 110 brush. Okay, now I'm going to take the Bodyography Pro Flat Shader Brush and this shade right here called Ring Light. And I'm just going to pack this all over the lid while the concealer is still wet. Okay, now using a cotton swab and the same micellar water, I'm going to just clean up this edge. Okay, now I'm going to take the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black, and I'm going to just start drawing out the stems of the cherry blossom. And as you can see right here, the first thing I did was do the roots of it, and then I did the stems. Okay, now with my Real Techniques silicone liner brush, I'm going to take the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in Fair 00 and start dotting that along my lid. Okay, and now with that same Real Techniques silicone liner brush, I'm going to use the Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip in Thursday. And I'm going to just dot that in between the petals. Now using that same Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black, I'm just going to draw a small wing. Alright, I already cleaned up underneath my eyes for any fallout with that same micellar water. Now moving on to the face, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer in Universal Sheer. For foundation, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation. I'm going to combine Amber, Beige, and Cocoa. And I'm just going to blend that out using my Real Techniques Blend and Blur foundation brush. Now I'm going to take my e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in Tan Sand. And I'm just going to blend that out using my Real Techniques facial sponge. Now I'm going to take my Studio Makeup HD Finishing Powder and my e.l.f. Small Tapered Brush just to set the concealer. To finish up my eyes, I'm going to take the Luxie 221T brush and the shade Mary. I'm going to just go back into the shade Boutique. For mascara, I'm going to use the Kokie Volume and Length Mascara. To contour my face, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Megaglo Contouring Palette in Caramel Toffee and my Royal and Langnickel Pointed Blush Brush. For blush, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Primer Infused Blush in Always Rosy and my Real Techniques Blush Brush. To highlight my face, I'm going to use the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Illuminati and the e.l.f. Blending Brush. To highlight my inner corner and underneath my brow, I'm going to just take the same highlight and the Crown Pro C513 brush. For my lips, I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Thick SDs. Okay, and now just to set my face, I'm going to use the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to follow Ainsley MUA on Instagram, and I believe her name on Twitter is Ainsley. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. I'll try to leave all of her info down below, so go ahead and check her out. I think her work is amazing. She's very talented. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. That way you get a notification every time that I post. Like this video if you did, and don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram because I'll be posting plenty of pictures of this look on there. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.